In March, North Korea proudly showed the world a successful multiple missile launch. Saturday morning's test was called a failure by the US and South Korea after the missile flew for just a few minutes. But it was another clear message from Pyongyang that it has no plans to stop its missile program. There was an immediate reaction from South Korea and Japan.
The government sternly warns North Korea if it continues playing with fire like this, it will face strong punitive measures on various levels, including the UN Security Council.
Supposing it was a ballistic missile firing, it is a clear violation of the UN Security Council resolution, and we cannot accept the repeated provocation by North Korea. We lodged a strong protest against North Korea.
North Korea likes to time provocative acts with significant events. This was no different. The launch came just hours after a meeting of the UN Security Council, where the United States called for unity in tightening sanctions against Pyongyang.
This is the way you make your voice heard, is through action. Any failure to take action diminishes your vote for these resolutions of the past. It diminishes your vote for future resolutions, and it devalues your seat at this council.
The US wants North Korea's ally China to use its influence and economic relationship to bring Pyongyang into line. China wants the United States to halt its military buildup and to cancel an anti-missile system it's installing in South Korea, which China views as a threat.
It is detrimental to achieving denuclearization and to maintaining long-term stability on the peninsula. China once again urges relevant parties to immediately stop the deployment process.
There is no indication that will happen, and in the meantime, the US continues to increase its military hardware. New footage shows the aircraft carrier Carl Vinson off the coast of Japan, heading towards the Korean peninsula, where it'll take part in exercises with South Korea. This latest missile test may have been deemed a failure, but after a significant increase in diplomatic and military pressure, it shows that North Korea is defiant. And it raises the question, what measures will be taken next? Wayne Hay, Al Jazeera, Seoul.